So hi everyone, so from the previous video I did the no hidden flaxseed gel, so I'm going to show you how I use it as promised. So keep on watching and thanks for subscribing. Okay, so this is my hair. This is what my hair looks like right now. Excuse my face. I actually put the flaxseed on my face and I'm just waiting for that to dry up. So I'm just gonna grab my hair, and I usually do side parts, but I just want to see how this flaxseed looks on my hair. Middle part, I rarely do middle part. So my hair, I already put a leave-in conditioner this morning. I'm not going to apply leave-in conditioner again, so I'm just taking water, just spraying a little bit of water for moisture, and then I'm gonna grab the flaxseed gel and apply the flaxseed gel to my hair. So just take it this much, okay, and just apply the flaxseed to my hair just to show you guys what it looks like. I'll probably need to make some more, but I just want to show you guys how the flaxseed gel enhances my curls. So we're just testing it out right now. I'm not doing my full hair, but I just want to show you guys you can use flaxseed gel to create curls in your hair. So see, you see how nice, and so this is the curls that I'm getting with the flaxseed gel. So I just decided to twist up my hair, so I'm just gonna go ahead and twist up the rest of my hair, and yeah, so that's it. Okay, so my face is still drying, so excuse me if I'm not talking so well. So I was able to just get 6 twists. I just have a little bit left, and that one won't be enough for the rest of my hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the rest of my hair and just pack it into a low bun, and I'll just use the remaining gel to kind of slick everything down, so that just to tame the frizz. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to just spray a little bit of water. I stopped spraying water and just use the gel all on its own, but I just want to use this water. I'm going to get a little bit of oil just to smoothen the puff area like this, and I'm going to tie this. Let's brush it up. So this is the first time I'm introducing a brush or comb, right? I'm just going to brush it up and just tie it like that. Okay. Yeah. So what I'm going to do with the end, so this is it. For the ends, I'm just going to spray just a little bit of water because my ends feel a little bit dry. Add some oil to those ends. Now I'm going to take the rest of the gel. Okay, just a little bit of the gel, and then just use that to smoothen the hair like that, just to tame the frizz. And then use the rest of the gel. I have some flax seed that got trapped in there, so I'm just trying to remove them so that they don't get stuck in my hair. Because you know, when you strain it off, you have to be mindful that sometimes some seeds could get stuck in there. So I'm going to take this amount of gel. You can see how gooey the gel is. Gel is quite gooey. Just going to take that and just rub that into the ends of the hair like that. Just trying to get it, remove any shedded hair. So just trying to get the rest of the gel. Everybody has their fireworks. I had to go into the bathroom because my husband is asleep. He's asleep. And so is my youngest daughter. My oldest daughter, she's actually recording videos for our own channel, Just Eniola. So it's just me and my oldest daughter left. And then I'll probably edit this video so that it can go out. So I'm going to just twist. I'm just going to create about 3 jumbo twists, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay. So I just decided to create 2. Just did 2 twists like that. Okay. And I'll just see how it turns out in the morning. So this is what I have right now, just some twists and stuff. So yeah, so I'll just stretch this out by putting a bobby pin, using a pin or a clip. I'm just going to use a clip to just hold that in place. Then use another clip to hold that in place, just to stretch it, unless what's going to happen is that it's going to shrink up. I noticed that flaxseed for my hair, it shrinks my hair really so much. So I'll see you in the morning after it has dried. Okay, so this is my hair. I have slept in it, so let's just take it out and see how the curls look with the flaxseed gel. Okay, so you can see it's really nice. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll just put some oil to soften the curls, but just to tell you that it does create curls. So this is the first way. You can see I'm unraveling it, and for some reason I get like a bit of this is a bit damp. My hair is for low porosity, so sometimes my hair doesn't dry easily, but yeah. So let's just unravel this also. You can see how it looks like. Oh my goodness, look at that with flaxseed. Oh, the curls, look at the mad curls. Yeah, mad curls. So using this method also gives you curls galore. Look at this. Yeah, try not to use too much so that you don't flake. But yeah, so I'm just gonna unravel again just to show you. I should have made more. I'm gonna make some more so that I'm gonna curl my entire hair. But so far so good. Where's my mirror? Let me see. I don't see any flakes. Look at that. Mad curls. Ooh, I gotta post something. You guys, if you're not following me on Facebook, make sure you're following me, because I'm gonna post something and just tell people to guess how I created this curl. Can you guys guess how I created these curls? Let's see who will win. I'm gonna tell you what I used to create these curls, and you all can make it wherever you want. Look at that. Awesome. So I'm gonna let people know how did I create these curls. What I use, the people that know. Woo! It is so nice, and this part is damp. See, this part is damp, but it's still held onto the curls. So see how it looks. So this is it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take this, I'm gonna sweep it across like that, grab a bobby pin and clip it like this, so the curls kind of cascade like that. So I'm just cascading the curls. This is so nice. And see the back area, this is the chunky one. So this is the chunky, and it's still damp, but it still produces cute curls. So you still have cute curls. Let me unravel this one also. So this works really well. And I also use flaxseed on my face. So if you want to know how I use flaxseed for my face to help reduce wrinkles, you want to click on that link, you know, this, I think this, yeah. So thank you so much everyone for watching. I appreciate you guys. If you want to see the video of how I made the flaxseed, I think it's in this video, but also click that right there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.